Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Gabe. I got a couple M3s, and then I have my GT3 as well. I make a lot of track content, a lot of mods, all this kind of stuff. So today's video is actually going to be on the E46 that I just got back from the shop. Rarely do you ever see this car on the channel, so I'm going to try and get it out on the channel a lot more, especially because I had a lot of work done to it, and I think you guys would be interested. And I'm sure you guys just saw that in the title of the video, but we're going to be putting on a Supersprint Euro race exhaust. So it should make this car a little louder, probably a little more raspier, but that's just kind of the characteristic of the S54 motor. This car already has catless headers, the velocity stack trumpets from 2M Autowerks, and a section 2 resonator from Supersprint as well, and a status group, I guess section 1. I don't know how E46s divide up their exhaust systems very well, so I may be completely wrong, but we're going to go ahead and remove the SCZA status group muffler off this car, and we're going to go ahead and throw on the Supersprint. We'll compare the two and show you guys what it looks like side by side, the two designs. The cars sound great as is, but honestly, compared to the F80 and compared to the GT3, it's kind of subtle. You hear the trumpets a lot more than you hear the exhaust, which, yeah, the trumpets are loud as shit, and that's kind of a known thing. But hopefully with the Supersprint, we can get a combination of both being just as loud, but not too obnoxiously loud. I heard a lot of good things about the Supersprints, the Euro race for the E46 M3s. Everyone pretty much tells me that is like this shit to have. So yeah, hopefully it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. So here's a little side-by-side comparison. The weight difference is minimal, to be honest with you. So it's just going to be all sound. It's all acoustic differences. Different types of metals, different designs, clearly. So yeah, let's throw this thing back on. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the sound clips. I'm sorry for the video being like fucking focused on the ground. I didn't even notice that when I left it on the floor. But yeah, I just want to update you guys on what's going on with the E46, give you guys some more content on this car. The exhaust tips are a little, obviously not lined up. So honestly, I don't know how to fuck around with those. I got to look around and then see how I can go ahead and make those, you know, line up correctly. I put a 10 mil spacer in the rear after I had 2M cut out the rear fender liner. If you guys own an E46 or interested in owning an E46, there is about a 1-inch fucking thick fender liner in the rear, so it's a pain in the ass. You can't really do shit. Your best option is honestly to cut it, which I did, and I can run a 10 mil spacer in the back now. Looks perfectly fine, very flush, very even with the front too. As before, it wasn't as even. Just looks so good. Also, I went back to chrome grills and gills. I felt like it would really match the polished barrels on this car and the chrome tips. I think it all comes together. I'm not a fan of chrome, but it's very period correct for this car, I feel like. So with the chrome barrels, or the polished barrels, or lips, I'm sorry, and all the chrome everywhere, I think it'll look nice. Next thing up for this car is the color, paint correction, and yeah, I think she'll be straight after that. Go back to the garage and hang out for a few more years. If you guys have any questions on the Supersprint exhaust, let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Other than that, I'm gonna get out of here, enjoy this car a little more today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.